Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Wilson வந்து suggest பண்றாரு இதுல he one by one he was discussing what is the power of why we should not go for spoil system வந்து ஏன் follow பண்ணக்கூடாது, what are the evils of spoil system and what is good about merit system அதெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு he suggested let administration be like a science. You have to make administration a science. அதுதான் வில்சன் தெளிவா எழுதுறாரு. There shall be a science of administration to straighten the paths of the government, to purify its organization, to make its business less unbusinesslike, and to crown its duties with dutifulness. So first and foremost என்னன்னா Wilson first propounds that public administration must be made as science. Because Wilson says administration is a rational activity. Though it is a human activity, it is a rational activity. And it being a rational activity, it has to be like a science. It must be based on certain rules, certain principles, which will form the basis of these rules. So it's only a matter of time. எப்படி physics chemistry எல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் ஒரு சயின்ஸ் தான். அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் கான்செப்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, அந்த கான்செப்ட்ஸை ஆப்ரேட் பண்றதுக்கு சில பிரின்சிபல்ஸ் இருக்கு, and the principles will form the core, and based on the principles we have to evolve rational rules and regulations which will be universally applicable.